Today we're making pumpkins! You're gonna need a whole lot of balloons, a whole lot of cans, a whole lot of balloons on cans, some string, and some masking tape. Make a cage out of string around your balloon. You can leave the string long off the stem. It will serve a useful purpose, as you will see in a minute. I highly recommend leaving it this way for a day or two. I feel it definitely gave it more of a squatty pumpkin look. You can also use masking tape to get the more subtle effect. The pro about the masking tape is you can make the stem right now. To see the mix I'm using, just watch my paper mache short. This video is all about technique. Cover your balloons with a layer of paper mache and let them dry. Don't forget to flip them halfway through the drying. It's time for paint. I really like this apple barrel paint. Look at the color. Jack-o'-lantern. No sh**. You can really paint them any color you want. I'd apply at least 2 coats of paint as well. If you're using the brown packing paper like I do, they take paint really well. See, I told you the string would come in handy. Now let them dry. If you painted a color underneath the orange coat, you drastically alter the shade. If you use white, it'll look much brighter. If you use a darker color, it'll look much duller. If you really want to give it some pop, add a clear coat like I did. Definitely gave it that realistic look to it. Just tape up the stem. I didn't paint the stems because I felt they looked pretty good as is. Build the stem while you're doing your second coat of paper mache, and just keep folding paper over until you attach it to the balloon. And here you see this with no clear coat. From about 20 feet away, they look real. With the clear coat, they look real from about 10 feet away. I even fooled my kids. As you see here in this picture, even with less light, you can see a big difference. Oh wait, you forgot something!